How fast can you see results when you detox? A lot of people ask me this question, and I know a lot of people are impatient, but here's a good thing. I can't give you an exact number because every single person is different. Everybody has different level of mucus in them, obstructions in them. So I cannot tell you exactly how much you will lose or the progress. But I can tell you one thing: you will see changes from day one. Okay, you will see the changes in health, the vibrancy, the electric energy in the fruits that it gives you. The body changes, the vitality, the strength. Okay, and I mean, without exception, this is what happens. Unless you're absolutely clogged up, even so, you're going to see some progress. Of course, you go through a detox healing crisis, but it's always on a positive side. You're always going to see great benefits in health and vitality and wellness. So for those of you who are wondering about how soon, think of the journey and how pleasurable it is and how much more powerful it's going to make you feel mentally, physically, and spiritually.